Over time, the plastic trim on your car discolors and fades with exposure to UV rays from the sun and repeated washings. 3D Trim Care restores a deep, dark, rich shine to faded, aged exterior plastic trim, bumpers, and cladding. Application is fast and easy. Simply massage 3D Trim Care over the surface, allow the rich lotion to penetrate and revitalize all plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces, then wipe off any excess using a clean microfiber towel. This fast-drying formula is streak-free, non-greasy, and dries to the touch. Powerful UV-blocking polymers prevent aging, fading, and cracking caused by exposure to the sun. Trim Care is water-resistant, so it won't run off when it rains or come off when you wash your car. But like all trim dressings, it needs to be reapplied on a regular basis to maintain the protection and beauty of your car's plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces. With 3D Trim Care, you can restore and maintain the plastic, rubber, and vinyl trim on your car to protect its value and maintain that new car appearance.